Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your email on your Steam account. Once you go ahead and log into Steam, click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click account details. Here under contact info, you'll find change my email address. Simple click on that, and from here you'll be taken into where you have your email address. Here it says, how would you like to change your email address? And here you can change an email address by using a verification sent to that current email address that you have. Or if you no longer have access to that email, then you need to choose this option. Let's say I would like to send it to the email address that I have tied to this. I click on that, and here it says a verification code was sent to my email. So all I have to do is just go ahead and find that email in my email address. And then once you enter that code here, and here's that code that it has sent to me. Then once I go ahead and enter that code here, guys, I can go ahead and click on continue, and I now have the power to change that email address in my Steam account. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.